museum. Just so happens I'm wearing red as well. Come inside.
What's the Red History Museum, Sam?
It's about the Yugoslav history.
Cool. Sam, so who is this?
Tito.
He was the founder of Yugoslavia. And he ruled Yugoslavia until he died. He's actually quite large. Worldwide. There's Uncle Joe. Uncle Vlad. There's Master Chico. He's known as Master Chico, so there was a field marshal. Oh, there's Yugoslavia. All the Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia Herzegovina, what's that? Montenegro, Serbia, Macedonia. Those are the republics of Yugoslavia, right? And where are we right now?
Croatia.
Which is?
Dubrovnik.
No, what's Croatia called?
Hrvatska.
Remember the video? Gun holder, you could have done with this. Whoa. What is this one?
It's a kitchen. Well, not a kitchen, a house.
Oh, isn't it fridge? Oh, look. It's a Yugoslav fridge. There's a drawer, tumble drawer. Oh, it's a fridge. Wait a minute.
Have a green sticker?
Looks like Western food.
Does it have a green sticker?
No, but I think he said everything here, there's a green sticker there. Oh. Oh, then let's open the fridge. Oh, there's Coke and Pepsi there.
Hi.
Sick.
This has a green sticker. This has a green sticker too.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh. See, with this, I remember at my nan's house, like, they would save the old glass bottles to use it for something else, like cooking oil and stuff like that. So it's looking in.
These two have some stuff too.
Oh, look, it's a typical housewife.
Yep. Feeding.
What is that?
Don't touch. No, green sticker.
Oh, look, stove. Looks quite modern.
It's not like not long.
No, this is not like as of 19. This looks a bit 70s.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Oh, look, a typical dining table. Look, salt and pepper, some kind of drink, and look, you put the baby in the side.
You just
The baby in the side.
Hey, you guys, you can play chess.
Oh, whilst you've got the baby in the thing.
No, it says touch.
Okay.
We'll start a chess game.
I go first. Oh yeah, wait till
Whoa, check out the radio. What? And what's the date of production? 1988, that's...
In 3 months younger than me.
Yeah, I was going to say 3 months younger than Mom. Gee.
That's not, it's not, it's a salt shaker.
Oh, wait.
Where did you get it from?
There's vitamin C in there and all sorts.
Huh?
Where is this place?
In somebody's house
Oh.
during the war.
During the war? No, it's not during the war. It's during like socialist time.
No,
Oh, it is during the war. Oh.
I'll show you.
Oh. Oh, look at that colourful purple jacket. Oh, Sam, I missed half of it. You closed the door to it.
Hey Dad,
Yeah.
you go to our streets.
Oh,
Try it.
nice. Sam, you've not noticed this purple, amazing purple jacket? Purple and green.
There's the military stuff in here. Dad.
Oh, is that a film? Yugoslav film? Oh, and Dynasty. My mum used to watch Dynasty. Oh. Bagat. Oh. She basically leaves the kid in the pram. Because I'm thinking like, look alike for like UK home. It's probably worse than this for the time. With a chamber pot at the bottom. Oh, Donald Duck. Mickey. I found the real main event.
Does drinking lead to a loss of work hours? Does drinking impair your family life?
Oh, look at the Yugoslav alcohol. Why are we in the children's bed? Oh, we have to blur this out.
It's
now.
education.
Is it?
Yeah, it literally says look. Sexual
Very
education.
sexual. Dealing with the enemy.
Come check out this typewriter. Sam.
Not Russian.
It's not Russian.
Cyrillic.
Yeah, it's probably Serbian, right?
Oh yeah.
That's the official language. Oh, these famous movie stars? These famous stars?
No, I don't know. If you read what it says,
Oh, just random things.
Sam, you think your spoon performs bad? Sam.
That looks like a cool uniform, Sam.
Expect.
Yeah. Monopoly. Tell me a little bit about him.
Wait, where are you going?
Cleaning body. Yeah, you can go.
Get him. Some kind of a counter. Ooh, there's a Marshall Tito calendar. What is it? Oh, these are the notes.
Sam.
Yugoslav cigarette. No. Zagreb, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Benston. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, look, plane tickets. I remember this train.
So this is the kiosk, and to me it looks pretty modern.
Yeah. What's special about this kiosk? What's
It's a hybrid of industrial design and architecture.
now the coolest thing about it is it's modular. They can connect with the modules.
This is a Yugo. It's an old Yugoslavian car. And
Okay. Yeah.
the doors are
I've lost them. I was gonna say I've lost him. Pam, what's special about the Yugo?
It's an old Yugoslavian car. Probably why. And look at the horn, it's so flimsy. And this gear stick. On modern cars, you get that weird clang clang noise, but on this one you don't. That's a soft.
Do you think the car still functions?
Sam,
Yeah.
so you don't know what these are? But you know you've seen them somewhere before, right?
Yeah.
Do you know where you've seen them?
Where?
On computers.
Oh, they're drives.
No.
There's a floppy disk.
Oh,
Before drive.
Which is also the save icon.
Before,
the save icon, that's it.
That's what they're from.
I've seen it physically before as well. So this is cocktail. Basically, it's Yugoslavian Coke, pomegranate flavour. I'm going to have a taste. Oh, it's not bad.
What does it taste like?
It's kind of like cherry Coke, but like in a good way.
Sorry, bike was noisy.
Yeah, it tastes kind of like cherry Coke.
How many out of 10 would you give it?
Maybe like an 8 to 9. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and ring the notification bell for more upcoming videos.